If you want to know what is the importance of external linking in SEO content writing, then this video is just for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In today's lecture, which is lecture 33, we will be exploring the world of external linking. Specifically, we will be exploring the crucial question, what is the importance of external linking in SEO content writing? Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. First, we have understanding the significance of external linking in SEO content writing. External linking is not just a casual practice. It's a fundamental aspect of SEO content writing that can significantly impact your website's visibility and credibility. Got it? Today, we will uncover why external linking is so essential in the context of SEO. Enhancing relevance and authority. External links act as endorsement from other reputable websites when authoritative sites link to your content. It sends a powerful signal to search engines that your content is credible and relevant. This can lead to improved search engine rankings and better visibility for your website. Next, we have building relationships and networking. External linking is also about building relationships with other content creators and websites in your niche. When you link to their content, you establish a connection which can result in them linking back to your content in the future. This reciprocal linking can boost your SEO efforts. Next, we have improving user experience. External link can enhance the user experience by providing additional information and resources related to the topic at hand. When users find valuable links in your content, they are more likely to trust your website and return for more information in the future. Next, we have balancing internal and external links. While external linking is crucial, it's important to strike a balance between internal and external links. Internal links help users navigate your website and can also improve SEO. Make sure your content provides a mix of both internal and external links to create a comprehensive user experience, right? So, best practices for effective external linking. To harness the power of external linking effectively, remember these best practices. First, link to authoritative and relevant sources. Use descriptive anchor text to provide context. Regularly review and update external links to ensure they are active. And in last, be strategic in your linking. Don't overdo it with too many external links in one piece of content. Got it? So, in conclusion, we can say that external linking is a cornerstone of SEO content writing. It boosts your website's relevance, authority and user experience while also fostering valuable relationships within your niche. To succeed in SEO content writing, embrace external linking as a fundamental practice in your strategy. Got it? So, stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 33 where we learned the importance of external linking in SEO content writing. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.